28 with the wind. That's Celsius. Whatever that is in Fahrenheit, it'd be like, I don't know, 30, minus 30 something.
Gotta let the heat in, open up the box gullies. Hey? You got a friend at home for you. I know. Tell me about it.
So we had a bad hatch with one little chick. So we had to get some friends. The poor thing was lonely. 3 barred rocks and 1 little east bar. Like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully you come back another day, check out another video. Maybe I'll make one on my little brooder here. Thanks.